Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video on Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a cargo card in Roblox Wanted. If this video helps you out, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First, open up your map and head straight over to the airport location. Once you arrive, head inside the main terminal building right here. Walk over to this area and you will spot a police security checkpost. Most of the time, the cargo card spawns right around this security post. If you don't find it there, search through the rest of the building, check around the luggage and open any loot boxes you come across. If you don't find anything on the ground floor, take the escalator upstairs and continue searching through the luggage and boxes up there. Another spawn location is further inside the airport. Go through the gate outside towards the airfield. Head to the control center and climb all the way upstairs to the top of the control center. You can often find the cargo card sitting up here as well. If you still can't find one anywhere after checking these areas, simply click the Roblox icon at the top left corner, leave the server, hop into a new server. Head right back to the airport and recheck the same spots I have shown you. As you can see, I found a piece of luggage right here at the checkpost and opening it gave me the cargo card. Keep hopping servers and checking the checkpoint, terminal and control tower until you get yours. That is all for today's tutorial on how to easily get a cargo card in Roblox Wanted. Thank you for watching.